What's up, Thomas nerds? Today, we're going to be unboxing the All Engines Go motorized James and the Trackmaster glowing diesel. Let's start with glowing diesel. So as we can see, he's a Trackmaster item. This is a 2019 to 2020 style box. Got diesel, his cars, glow in the dark. Got a nice promo of him here. Nice promo of Nia, Thomas, and Percy. Glowing diesel, glowing Thomas, glowing Edward. Diesel. Yeah, pretty standard 2019 box, but let's just get them open. So I found this guy on Amazon for 20 Canadian dollars, which is crazy for a discontinued item on Amazon. Normally they go for like 300 or 100 if it's a newer item. So I just thought, yeah, that'd make a cool video. So I got it. Let's start with this cars, I guess. And go there. And here we have Diesel's cars here. What is this? A plastic thing to make it look better. Well, that's not cool. That's false advertising right there. Look at that. Could actually spray paint that though and make a pretty nice logo, but look, that kind of sucks. That actually really sucks. You can't even see it. Yeah, I wish they would have done something like this, like the plastic, and not false advertised. So yeah, that kind of sucks. And I'm pretty sure this is the same. This logo has been used on so many different cars. It's pretty standard. The only thing cool about it is the glow in the dark wheels, and the red is okay. I think I have a yellow one. And then here's the car that comes with the standard diesel, except it's glow in the dark. That's actually pretty cool that it's like a reference to what he actually hauls, and it actually is glow in the dark. This one only has a glow in the dark load, and you can't even see it. So, but yeah, dynamite car, pretty cool with Diesel there. Then we have Diesel himself, and I don't think the actual part on his, the actual glow in the dark part on his body glows. I think it's just the wheels. I'm gonna have to check that again, but if it doesn't, I mean, that's big points off this. I really hope that it does. I hope that I'm wrong about that. But yeah, Diesel has a lot of the same problems as just like his normal Trackmaster 2 model. Like, face is too happy. Should have more like a bully face. Why is he so happy? He's not like this in the show. Buffers aren't painted. Just the decals look really cheaply put on there. That's just been a problem with Trackmaster 2 items. But yeah, I mean, he's not the worst, but it's an okay pack. The wheels are cool, but I really hope this glows, or else this pack will kind of suck. But I mean, for $20, it's an old item. It's kind of cool to have, so yeah. We'll have to see when it actually glows in the dark. But here we have All Engines Go James. Let's go over the box. Motorized. I mean, this is a super standard box, as it's just the standard James release. James, promo of him, and a big promo of him, and then a bunch of whatever. We don't care. Let's just tear this box open. Don't care. And this feels super cheap. Feels very, very cheap. Even this kind of feels, I mean, of course this is very cheap plastic compared to the other ones, but this feels even cheaper. Like, I really don't like some of these new All Engines Go ones because they feel like terrible. Like, just look at his tender here. Like, look at the lining is faint. Like, you can barely see that it's black lining. It kind of shows it more on camera, but in person, it's like brown. And then, I mean, just look, that's so plain. And I don't know what the deal is with this. Why isn't this filled in? I don't know. And the coal load looks honestly really bad. And the 5 just looks really cheap. Like it looks like if I just rub my finger on it, it would fall off. It would just scrape off. And the wheels, very cheap. They have plastic axles, which I really don't like. And then James himself. It's quite long. This is one positive thing I have to say about him, is that his cab is actually kind of open, and that actually looks pretty good. I kind of like that. But the rest, his face, I have a problem with his face. It doesn't even look like the All Engines Go version. His eyes look different, his mouth is different. Like, this face kind of really sucks. His eyes are too far down, it looks like. I really don't like how they printed that face on there. This is actually separately fitted, which is interesting. It's just, yeah. I mean, these are very low quality toys. You see a bunch of factory errors with them and stuff. There's no painted buffers. Yeah. The lining doesn't look very good. But I guess it does kind of capture the All Engines Go version of James, but it's missing the cab windows. It's missing his lamp, which is right there. This part should not be there. It should be separate, like how it is on the original James, and just like on the All Engines Go one. Honestly, I'm really not a big fan of either of these packs, kind of. I mean, this James is one of the, I would say all of the other All Engines Go packs I have back there are better than this. James is one of their worst, I think. I mean, this is really not good. I mean, the lining, there's like chips in it already, and you can see the overlap of like how they put it on. Look at that. I mean, yeah. Mattel's fallen really low with quality, and yeah, I'm not a big fan of these guys. Let's just see how they run. Hopefully they run okay. Does this screwdriver work?